these past few years, online selling has become the common sight in our community. Many residents use social media platforms like Facebook, TikTok, and Shopee to sell clothes, foods, and etc. through lives and posts.
This trend caught my attention because almost every week I see neighbors promoting online products and receiving delivery packages.
Selling is not just a hobby anymore. For many families, it becomes a source of income. Many people doing this like a business in our barangay. But how this trend start?
And why are so many people joining it?
The rise of online selling became more noticeable during the COVID-19 pandemic. When many businesses closed and the people stay at home, residents started using the internet to buy and sell products.
Technology played a major role in this trend. Smartphones, social media platforms, and online payment systems made it easier for people to start their own small business without needing a physical store.
Economic challenges also push many individuals to try online selling as an additional source of income.
Because of these networks, even small home-based business can reach many customers within the community and nearby areas.
But online selling has a both positive and negative impact in our community.
On the positive side, it creates opportunities for residents to earn income, especially for those who do not have regular jobs. It also allows people to start businesses at lower costs.
However, there are also some challenges. Competition among sellers can become very high, making it difficult for some business to succeed.
There are also risks, such as scams, fake products, and unreliable sellers. In some cases, online selling may affect traditional stores in the community.
However, this may continue as the technology becomes more accessible. However, proper regulations and responsible selling and customer awareness are very important to make sure that it is fair and safe.
Overall, online selling has become a significant trend in our community. It started as a response to economic challenges and technological changes. But it has grown into a sustainable form of small business.
This trend shows how people adapt to new opportunities and use digital platforms to improve their livelihoods.
To ensure that this trend continues to benefit our community, sellers must practice honesty and quality service, while customers must remain careful and informed.
With proper responsibility and support, online selling can continue to help communities grow and adapt to the digital age.
Hi, my name is Nabami Elcabo. I'm 25 years old. Akong work karon kay online selling.
So, many questions din mo karon ate. First question is, when ka nag-start of online selling?
2 years from now. Then, nakuan ako sa TikTok, nagtanong ko sa TikTok. Then, ako'y nakita na sila po, suluan sila sa TikTok. Then, murag ganahan po ko, ni-try ko. Then, pag-try na ako, gura jud ko, sige na jud ko, kuan tanaw, kuan ako unsaon pagkuan ko si TikTok, nakita ko ni TikTok, sila si TikTok. Ni kuan si TikTok na aping ano
Actually,
ang nilin pagkahuman. Ni kuan ako, manto padayon ako sa giog kuan kanang pag-video kung ako ganan ko orderan, ang videoan sila. Tapos, dapat po maglalang po na kuan, ganahan sa TikTok.
so, nasa ka-decide ka ate mag-start ang mga business which is online selling?
Okay. Dahil malinaw po ito, may trabaho, nakapagod sa bata, na ako nilinawan, dahil makatapon siya sa kuan, sa balay, makatapon siya, nakapili ng mapalit na ako, palayan ako sa uban na nailaw ka ng mapalit po na ako, then makatabang po siya
Okay, last question ate. Unsa imong ikaingon or unsa imong message sa imong mga kapwa online seller?
Go lang, laban lang. Dahil naging traffic para magtaman sa pagkakilig.
Okay, thank you kaayo ate sa imong pagkuantigot na mo. Hi ma'am, pwede ka na mo interview today?
Yes po, ako lang.
Okay, first is, what is your name?
I am Ashanti Nicole G. Erceto. I am 16 years old and I am currently a student from St. Paul University, Dubuque.
So, nakasulay ka ba ka of order sa online?
Yes po.
And unsa may mga naka-benefit nimo sa online selling?
For me, makatabang good ang online selling since if i-compare siya sa mga if mobile ka sa mga malls, mas hassle siya. So when it comes to online selling, mas less ang hassle and then dili pa ka maghago-hago or mo waste mo time na mo go sa malls para makabay ana nga butang or anything imong ganahan sa order.